i-download natin yung Wrath of the Dragon, or ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description.
A few minutes later.
After na natin ma-install, open natin yung application, and may lalabas dito. Isi-set up lang natin yung ating pangalan, country, language. Click lang natin yung next, and may lalabas na tutorial. Next lang natin, and finish, and allow lang natin. Then dito sa referral, pwede tayong kumita dito by referral or share natin yung ating link. Kapag na-verify na yung ating na-invite, meron tayong matatanggap na $0.1. Click natin yung giveaway $25. And dito meron tayong ticket every invite natin. And click natin yung leaderboard. Dito makikita natin kung sino yung nangunguna. Pwede siyang manalo ng $25. Ang mga second, $15, third, $5, at iba pa. Click natin yung milestone. And dito naman, kapag naka 5 referral tayo, meron tayong $0.1. And kapag 10 naman, $0.15. And kapag 20 naman, $0.20. At iba pa. Click natin yung content creator. Dito naman, i-upload natin yung link natin sa TikTok or YouTube. After ma-verify yung ating content na i-upload, meron tayong 50% sa ating na-invite. Click natin yung exclusive content. And dito makikita natin yung platform nila. Click natin yung icon. Dito makikita natin yung third-party apps. Meron silang hot offer, task offer, survey offer, and another offer. Click natin yung icon. Dito makikita natin yung leaderboard, kung sino yung nauna. Click natin yung profile, and dito makikita natin yung daily natin, kung ilan oras natin ginugol itong application na to. And click natin yung withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is $0.35. Meron silang GCash, Lazada wallet, Paymaya, and another wallet. Click natin yung start, and click natin yung grant. Dito, isi-set up natin yung ating settings. After ma-set up, pwede na tayong mag-earn. Dito, kahit natutulog ka man or busy ka, nag-earn pa din basta naka-open yung application, and yung timer is gumagana pa din.
A few minutes later.
Hello guys, nakikita nyo naman na 37 minutes pa lang naka-open tong application, meron na tayong na-earn na $0.0458. Paano ba mag-withdraw dito? Kapag na-meet mo na yung minimum withdrawal na $0.35, click natin yung profile and click natin yung withdraw. Dito makikita natin yung withdrawal na gusto natin pag-withdrawan. Meron siyang GCash, Lazada, PayPal, at iba pa. Click nyo lang yung gusto nyong pag-withdrawan and click confirm, and type nyo yung information niyo. Kapag na-type nyo yung information nyo, click verify and confirm, and click natin yung verify. Dito, i-verify kung human or AI yung gumagawa. After natin ma-verify, merong lalabas na kung kailan natin marireceive yung payout natin. And kung gusto nyong extra $0.02, follow nyo lang yung instruction sa baba kung paano gawin. Wala pang isang minuto na tanggap na natin yung withdrawal natin. Tingnan natin yung Lazada wallet natin. Yun, pumasok na yung withdrawal natin.